Welcome back to Home Lifestyle and Decor. Today I will share DIY with picture frames to easily transform the look of a room. Creating your own photo frame is a fun and budget friendly project that you can complete in no time. So check the 3 ideas here and let me know which one you like the most. Before we continue, let me remind you to subscribe to my channel for more budget friendly ideas if you haven't already done so. The first one is an easy way to add the perfect amount of sparkle to any room. On the plain wooden frame, just spread the glue evenly using a paintbrush and sprinkle the glitter generously on it. Allow it to dry completely and then tap off the excess glitter. If you don't get the desired effect, repeat the steps. That means add a layer of glue with the paintbrush and sprinkle a layer of glitter again. Complete it with one color first and then start with the next one as per your design. Now need to cover the edges, for which I have used a stone border for the inner one and a glitter border for the outer edge. Now assemble the picture and the picture frame, admire your handiwork and then arrange it in your home. For the second option, I will use black oil paint on the frame. Once the paint is dried completely, I will add simple white flowers with Fevicol All Fix for the glamorous look. A few white pearls for the finishing touch, and you are going to love this simple but beautiful craft. For the third one, need some pasta and a plain cardboard. Fix the pasta with the Fevicol All Fix on the border. Use Fevicryl acrylic black paint to color the pasta and add a touch of golden pearl color. Paint the base also with the golden color. Just add the picture once it is dried completely. That's all for today. Now grab your old picture frames, get started and do share your feedback. If you love the ideas, do share it with your friends and family. Thank you.